Get set. Go.
It's silent, but deadly. She just gave up over there. Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't wait to show you guys this.
This is gonna get him on hits on YouTube.
Casey's about to stomp you both.
Holy!
Yeah, he's
Wow,
getting
she's
it.
like in the. He's like in the
He's
zone.
in the zone.
I don't know where Brianna is. She's like in Africa.
Wow.
We have one in the zone, one in Africa, and one in Candyland.
There.
Where is it?
Good job.
Hey, I
Crap!
felt that.
You could be a
I'm sure
surgeon.
you did. You dropped it, Casey. You dropped your loop. Got it.
I see what you're doing. Well, I don't
It's
see
right
what
here.
you. Oh.
Yeah, it was right there in front of you the entire time.
She's cheating.
She's starting to crack.
You gotta film her cheating.
I already got her cheating. You don't have to worry about that.
She's starting to crack.
What? Ah.
Casey's almost.
Stop being quiet.
Got it. Got it.
Okay, let's play some motivational music.
Da, 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 da.
Na da 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 ba da da
I feel somebody pulling my
ba.
shoe.
What the heck? We're all cheating. We're all dirty bastards.
Yes.
She said Casey, not JD.
Oh, we have similar sounding names.
This is funny.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I know. JDKC. No, I don't even sound so. That just has 2 letters. That's it.
Similar to the in the alphabet.
Your names both involve the alphabet.
Good thing you got her cheating.
No, it's JKD.
She hates this.
She's about to throw the shoe in front of her, you guys. I'd watch out for you. Okay, you're clear to throw the shoe. Oh. Oh. Oh, I was all depressed.
I'm being entertained by this.
JD did it. Look, he's tied.
What? Yes, I am a genius.
No, this is your real shoe.
Oh, you just brought the genius down.
Casey
Oh,
had it
oh
and he took it apart.
Just to show that he was that awesome.
Why the heck is that shoe blue on my camera?
The purple?
Yeah. It's blue. So
I'm just saying I'm done.
Sure enough, it is.
that's so black. That's weird. Oh well.
It's getting
What are
right on my
you doing,
knees.
JD? Like, lift up his shoes.
I feel the corner.
Oh! I got it! I got it on camera! Yes!
Try sitting in your seat, not falling out of it.
I got my pliers.
Casey is still going at it.
Dude, you get this.
Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you
No
go.
way.
There you go.
Oh, you lost it.
Oh.
Oh, no.
There you go. There you go. Whee!
My thing isn't closing.
Time!
4 minutes.
Oh, my thing.
Wow! That is amazing.
Cheated.
Where are your pliers?
Very good.
Can we watch
That
the
was
video?
amazing.
Very good.
Yeah, I got it on camera. Holy crap, that was amazing.
Anybody else want to do it?
I want to do it.
That was fun.
My eyes hurt.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's straight.
Anybody else want to do
What
it?
time do we leave? 2:30?
2:40.
2:40.
We got a few
time is
minutes
it?
to just hang out now and clean up all this mess.
Oh man, that was awesome. We got enough time to watch the video.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Let's